Okay, so we're gonna cook one of these. It's gonna be the mushroom rice pilaf. So the instructions on how to cook this is on the back. So first you have to open the pouch and remove the oxygen absorber. Step 2, whisk contents of pouch into 6 cups of cold water. I've already measured out 6 cups of cold water. Number 3, bring it to a boil, cover, reduce heat, and cook for 20 minutes. Step 4, let stand for 3 to 5 minutes. So let's do that. Okay, so I've opened the pouch and I'm going to throw this away. Okay, now I'm gonna pour this into my 6 cups of cold water. Okay, so we're gonna whisk it and bring it to a boil. So let's turn on the stove here. Okay, and I'm just gonna whisk this in and we're gonna bring it to a boil and then cover it. Okay, so the water is boiling, so I'm going to put this on simmer and I'm going to cover this and I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes per the instructions. Okay, so it has been 20 minutes, so let's take a look here. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so still a little bit soupy here. Just gonna stir it around. And there we have it. So I'm going to scoop this up into a bowl here. Okay, so I'm going to give it a little bit of a taste test here. Just give you a closer look at what it looks like. And let's try it. First bite, not bad. Second bite. So it kind of reminds me of just pretty much any instant meal that you could make, and it's pretty good. So I just took a couple more bites and I've got to say, I actually like it, and it's not as salty as I thought it would be. It's just the right amount of salt, so give it a try. So I did let it cook a little bit longer, and as you can see, it does get more thick the longer that you wait, and this was covered for another, I'd say, about 10 minutes. But yeah, flavor was good, and now it's looking more thick. This is probably the consistency that you should be going for. Yeah, that is looking much better. So I would highly recommend this.